Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in TikTok with your Facebook account. So let's get started. So if you want to log in your TikTok with your Facebook account, what you can do is just tap and open up your TikTok application. After doing that, now you can tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now here you can find this pop-up screen where it will ask you which account would you like to continue with. So we will tap on the second option which says continue with Facebook. After tapping on continue with Facebook, now you can edit your access. So just tap on edit access which is on the top right, and then here you can edit requested access. So now you can edit your name and profile picture. You can edit your email address, your age range, and your friends list. So you can toggle this option on or off. After doing that, now what you can do is just tap on continue as. Here you can find your username. You just have to tap on that option which is on the bottom of your screen which says continue. And after tapping on continue, now you have to enter your date of birth. So just simply enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, just tap on next. Now you can create a nickname for your account. Simply create a nickname, and after creating a nickname, just tap on confirm. And after doing that, here you can find this pop-up message which says give TikTok access to your Facebook friends list and email. This will be used to improve your TikTok experience, including connecting you with people you may know, people you share connections with on Facebook. Just tap on OK, and after tapping on OK, again tap on OK. And after doing that, here you can see all the friends that you have, so you can just add them as your friends. And after entering all your details, here you can see you have successfully linked your Facebook account with your TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to log in TikTok with Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.